Unplugging from the norm. Understanding unplugged from in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into the phrase, unplugged from. It's a fascinating expression that can add depth to your English conversations. So, let's explore its meaning and usage together. Unplugged from is an idiomatic expression in English. It generally means to disconnect or detach oneself from something. This can be a physical disconnection, like unplugging a device from an electrical outlet, or more often, a metaphorical one, like disconnecting from social media or stressful situations. The term unplugged gained popularity with acoustic music sessions, where musicians would perform without electric instruments. This concept of going back to basics or stripping down to essentials is at the heart of the phrase. To grasp unplugged from better, let's look at some examples. 1. Emotional detachment. After a stressful week at work, she unplugged from all social engagements to relax. 2. Digital detox. I unplugged from social media for a month and felt more at peace. 3. Disconnecting from routine. He unplugged from his daily routine to travel and find new inspirations. Incorporating unplugged from into your speech is simple. Use it when talking about taking a break or stepping away from something, especially in a context that requires a mental or emotional disconnect. Understanding and using unplugged from can add a layer of nuance to your English. It's all about disconnection in a world that's constantly connected. We hope this video helps you in your English learning journey. Keep practicing, and don't forget to unplug once in a while.